Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a totem pole. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our totem pole, let's begin by drawing two straight lines coming down here. You can do this just with your marker or you can use a ruler. So I'm going to use my old school Garfield ruler here. And I'm just going to begin by making a line that's going to come down here. Then I'm going to leave some space and I'm going to draw another line that's going to come down right here. Now first, at the top here, I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to curve up and down. And then right here at the bottom, let's draw a line that's just going to curve down and up. Just kind of make a little bit of like a rounded feel on our totem pole. So let's start with the top. So let's begin. We're going to make like a thunderbird on top of here. So let's start with the eyes. Let's begin by making a line that's going to curve up and down. And then same thing over here. Let's just curve up and down. And you can see I kind of went in a little bit. Next, we're just going to go down and kind of curve this up. Down and kind of curve that up. Then we'll make a little line that's going to go right around here, just kind of that same shape. So we'll do that on each side, just kind of going up and down, and then down and back up just a little bit for some detail. Inside of here, we can go ahead and put two circles, so we have the pupils in there. Then we're going to give us some eyebrows. So let's just draw a line that's just going to curve down. We're going to come up and bring it back. Same thing here, kind of start on top of the eye, bring it down, go up, and then bring it back to here. Next, let's make the beak. Let's begin by going up and down here. Then we're going to curve this down and up. And we'll make a nice little line down the middle. Then we're going to give this a mouth. So let's begin by drawing a line that's going to come out. And we're going to curve around. Same thing here, just kind of come out and curve around. Then we're just going to make a really skinny oval shape on the inside of each one. Then I'm going to make a line that's just going to come across. And then I'm going to make a line that's going to go down and up, down and up, down and up for some feet. And same thing here, down and up, down and up, down and up for some feet. Next, I'm going to make a little line that's just going to go from here to here. And then I'm going to make some lines that are going to go down, over, and up. Down, over, and up. Down, over, and up, down, over, and up. Then we're going to make some little U shapes on here for some feathers. And then at the top, we're just going to make lines going to go down and up. Then for the ears, I'm just going to make lines going to come up, and then we're going to go down here. Same thing, we're just going to go up, over, and then down. Then we'll make another shape that's just going to go around here. Just kind of go up, over, and down. Now for the wings, I'm just going to bring a line that's going to come out on each side. Then we're just going to curve this down and in. Same thing here, just kind of come down and then in. We'll make that same shape here. And do it over here, same shape, just kind of go down and in. Right here, let's just kind of make a shape that's going to go down and over. Kind of just go down and over. And make another shape inside of here. And we're going to make the shape go down and up with a little shape in here. Down and up, and then a little shape. And then we'll just kind of leave it like that. We could go crazy with all the details. We're just kind of keeping this somewhat detailed but somewhat simple at the same time. Now the next one, let's turn this into a wolf. So I'm going to begin right here, and I'm going to make a line that's just going to kind of curve down and then back for the eye. And same thing here, we're just going to kind of curve this down and then back. We'll make that outline around here on the eyes. So let's make the outline on each side. Then starting here, I'm going to bring this line down. We're going to go over and then up here for like the snout. We'll make like an oval shape on here, and we'll do a curve on each side for the nose. We're going to make a line that's going to curve around here and like an oval, and then same thing here, curve around here. We're going to make this line come down and in for an eyebrow, and same thing here, kind of come down and in. Then we're going to bring this line down here, and we're going to bring this line kind of up here. And then we'll just bring this line down, and we'll bring this line up for the mouth. We're going to make a line that's going to come down, over, and up with like a little triangle shape in there. Then we're going to make a line that's going to come up and then down here for some detail on the nose. We'll bring this line over and up, and same thing here. We'll just kind of bring this line over and up. We'll do a line on each side with a couple lines going this way to make it look like claws. And we'll do a line that goes over, down, and back. Over, down, and back. We'll do another line here and another line here. Now, starting here at the bottom, let's make the really strongest of all the animals, and let's do the bear. So let's start actually with the ears. So let's bring this line down with a curve, and then we'll bring this line down with a curve. Then we're going to make this line come across here. We'll make a curve over and then up. So we'll make a curve over and up. For the eyes, we'll kind of curve this line down and then bring it around. Same thing, kind of curve this line down and then bring it around. Next, we're going to curve this line to here, and we'll just curve this line down to here. We're going to make a big oval shape here, and then a big oval shape right here. And we're going to make a line that's going to go up, over, and down. We'll connect this line for the bottom of the nose. Then we're going to do a curve here, and then we're going to do a curve right here. For the mouth, we're going to come up. We're going to go right across the bottom of the nose and then connect it to here. Then we're going to bring this across and connect it to here. We're going to go up, and down. Then we're going to go up and down and connect it. Next, we're going to go over and over to start the teeth. We're going to go down and up for a fang, down and up, kind of like two V's. And then we're going to connect it across. I want to bring a line up on each side, and we'll add a second one in here. And then we'll make an eyebrow. We'll just kind of curve this across and down, and then we'll kind of curve this across and down. And we're just going to make a little line that's going to go down and up here. For the bottom, we'll make a line that curves out on each side. And then we're just going to bring this line across here to connect. And then right up here, let's just make a little line. It's going to curve up and down with another little line here. And there you go. There is your simple and a little bit detailed drawing of a totem pole. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.